Finally, another video. I'm not sure if anyone even watches these, but I'm recording another video. Today we're gonna play Soundspace. They recently re-uploaded their game because they wanted to take their game in a new direction. Here, I'll show you what they said. Let me just join. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Second. Alright, all done. Here, Roblox has changed how their audio library works, so they've decided to take the game in a new direction, partnering up with the artists to showcase their amazing music. Although there are significantly less songs in the game, there are more to come out, and we believe you won't be disappointed. Anyways, they also added a new difficulty. It's a really fun game. It's very underrated. I suggest you guys play it. It's really cool. So let's start with an easy, just to show you how it works. Not easy. Let's do a hard, because it may not seem hard, but it is hard. Oh my god. It is very loud for me. I'm gonna turn down my volume. Anyways. That's a lot better, but it's still loud. So you basically have to move your cursor to hit the notes. I'm really good at it. Oh, that's my first miss. You can also play this in VR. I'm not gonna talk because you probably can't hear this because it's still really loud. It is a really cool game. I'm really good at it. I'm gonna second. Let me turn this down even more. Anyways, this is the new difficulty. They have logic. This was before in the game. Logic is is harder than hard. I don't know why they call it logic. This may not seem hard, but yeah, I don't think this is hard. But there are things to increase your score, like speed, plus speeds. But this is the new difficulty. It's very hard. The difficulty is actually called Birth. It was funny. Oh, I died. I usually die on that part. Let's go again. This is a really fun game, by the way. I usually don't die at that part. I don't know why I'm being so trash. You can customize your hit points. The regular, the beginner hit point or whatever. The note is a cube. It's kind of a 3D cube. The beginning colors are like Squid Game colors, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, this is a fun game. You should really try it out. I know I've said that like way too many times. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try to get past this fight. Nope, I suck. Here. They don't have too many songs. They used to have 100 pages of songs. Now they only have 10. Ooh, they actually added new songs. These are new. Here, I'm gonna try to find a cheap one that I can buy. Ooh. Sure, I'm gonna buy this one. Let's try out our new map. Here we go. This part's annoying. You don't have to click to hit them, you just have to look at them. You just have to move your cursor to look at it. This one looks pretty fun. It's a lot harder than other logics I have. Interesting. These games are really fun. I like rhythm games. Actually, I also do Scratch. You know what Scratch is? Scratch is getting a little difficult. Scratch is like a coding website that you can use, and you can make games. It's block coding. It's really easy to understand and learn for beginners. Oh, that was close. No, what the heck? Oh, that's dumb. My cursor just wanted to stop. Anyways. Yeah, here are some colors that you can get. There's a lot of them. There's things called spaces too, which is basically your backgrounds. Every one of them costs Robux, except, well, you can actually buy some. You can try them to see them. It's pretty cool. See, look, this background is really cool. It's kind of trippy though, I don't really like it. So let's try this one, let's try it. Ooh, this one's really cool. I would buy this if I could. I think that's really cool. Phantom Seas, let's try this one. Ooh, this one's really cool. It's just a little laggy. Just a little laggy. But that does look really cool though. And then there's just Squircle. Well, this one looks cool. I want to get this one. But most of the spaces cost Robux. This is the original one. This is the regular one. This is the speakers one. Most people who have different spaces usually have the speakers. They're really cool. The Rift. They're actually really. These are new ones. This one is really cool. I've not seen this one. This one is amazingly cool. I think this one's the coolest one of all. I would buy this one 100%. It's kind of annoying to see though. Anyways, that's kind of the game, but I'm just gonna play it now. Beat this map. Alright. Here. You also gotta do quests. BP quests. Here, I'm gonna beat a logic map with Ghost on because I need BP, which is your XP. Here we go. Wait. 1 second. Where's Ghost? Wait. It says beat a logic map with Ghost. Only Ghost, right? Alright. Ghost. It basically disappears when it gets Ghost. It's kind of annoying to see. Whoop. This is really annoying. I'm not used to doing modifiers. I just need BP to level up because I'm almost at bronze level. No, this stupid game. Alright. Let's do a different one. Hard map with speed plus. Speed plus actually. This should be easy. It's just basic. Before they updated this, when Roblox had audio, there's a lot more levels. There's some really, really difficult levels. There's this level called Dangerous Slots, and that was the hardest level in the game. You would be a god if you could beat it on speed minus, which is insane. It's kind of rough. No, come on. Stupid cursor wanted to stop. Gotta get, it's hard to get good at this game. I'm just naturally good at this kind of stuff, at rhythm games. For some reason. I play piano, that might be why. Okay, fine. Dude, my forearm is hurting so bad. This is a tough. No, I was so close. My forearm, bro. That hurts a lot. Okay, let's try that again. Here we go. Come on. I'm on mobile, by the way. I'm getting invites from Minecraft. I'm probably gonna get a bunch of them. Oh, come on. Almost done. My forearm is burning. Alright. Whew, that was hard. 0 pauses, nice. Alright, give me that BP. Alright, anyways. Okay, so beat a hard map with only guys. No, okay, beat a logic with speed plus. Here we go. This is gonna be easy. This level is really easy. This level is really easy, even with speed plus. I beat the speed plus before. It's really easy. It's fun with speed plus. I really hope this game gets updated more. That was really trash. Because I want to see more games in it. I don't know how the song goes. It's a pretty good song. It's gonna be pretty boring. Bro, come on. Probably gonna be the last part of the video, so we're almost done. Oh, this level's so long. I just realized that. they made this level longer, because I don't remember it being this long. This must be so boring on regular speed, because this is kind of boring already. Maybe not for some of you, because some of you could be new to this game. Oh yeah, I forgot. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Obviously. Every YouTuber says that. Why did I forget that? I'm just new to this whole YouTube thing, I guess. Alright, anyways. We're almost done. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. No, I can't because it's not a tunnel, but... Not for the last time, please try this game out. Support it. Join its group. Alright. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Alright, tap to skip. We beat the game. We beat the level. Anyways, that's it for me. Let's see. Oh wait, let me claim these and these. See ya.